Previously on NRGSTARS. I kind of stole the car and I was caught.
Always joking. That is your father's compound, idiots. You have been fired.
What are you doing?
The flight leaves in 4 hours, which means check-in is in 3 hours.
NRGSTARS.
When we come back after this break, we're going to show you a brand new carpool karaoke. Don't go anywhere. Come on back, everybody.
Everything. I got everything. I cannot complain. I cannot.
I'ma make up like Peter Cream seats on the ring of rockin' John Lennon legend.
Yeah, you know me. Turn the 02 into the 03. God's plan. God's plan.
With me, this is carpool karaoke.
What the hell kind of accent? Say that again.
We are arriving at Superior.
What accent is that?
Even me, I don't know.
What
What we need to do over here is we need to...
Please stop. I need to buy shorts like for walking around because I'm just in jeans. I forgot. I didn't pack like
Guys,
shorts,
please comment down below if you've ever done something so thick.
You've never gone to Mombasa and... Hey! Is it figure, bro?
You actually look kinda badass. My salsa makes all the pretty girls want to dance and take off their underpants. My salsa. Hey. Charlie, I found something. Perhaps?
Son of a bitch.
There's a place upstairs called Fashion House. It's like Mr. Price, but like dead cheap prices. Charlie, we've just come from Fashion House. My guy, first of all, what are those? And why are your legs so dry? Do you own Vaseline?
Guys do not pack them after on their legs, you know that, yeah?
Guys don't pack a mafta on their legs. Or Charlie doesn't own mafta.
Guys, do you pack them after on your legs?
I can't date a guy that doesn't oil his legs. You take me to Kempinski and then your legs are looking like that. Kwanzaa, you even have chicken legs.
So, okay, Elodie, my shorts. So what's next?
Let's go get rum.
Wait, what? Do you want us to go get rum?
Yeah, we're in
It's
Mauritius
morning.
and you haven't tasted rum.
But, okay, no, there's no way I'm having rum if I haven't eaten first. So, feed me.
Kunywa maji. Kunywa maji na oxygen.
There has to be somewhere else you can get food. Is that a McDonald's?
Oh yeah, and we don't even have McDonald's in Kenya. Should I try and order in French?
Try order in French.
Bonjour. Je voudrais un double grand chicken avec des frites.
Kenya wa nambari uliopiga.
Pardon?
De la boisson, c'est Coca, Fanta, Sprite.
Do you want Coke, Fanta or Sprite?
Coke. Hey!
Merci beaucoup madame, au revoir.
Hey, I'm loving it. Elodie, how was the burger?
Huge.
Huge.
My goodness.
It is time to taste Mauritian rum.
Yes.
And my body is ready. Is your body ready for the rum?
I'm not having rum, you're having rum.
Oh yeah, because you're driving.
Which local rum do you have? Dukes, which else? Green Island. Green Island, Dukes, and also Hoopy. Why don't we do a 1-1-1 for all of them? Perfect. Charlie's trying Mauritian rum! Are you ready? Are you excited?
If you like it with lemon, I can put just a slice of lemon.
Give me one with lemon, one without.
How are you feeling? What do you think it's gonna taste like?
What if I just moor all over here like
I'll make you
all
lick
the-
it. It's tough. What?
Ooh, ooh. Look at him struggling. Definitely going to feel that in about 20 minutes.
Welcome to Mauritius.
Thank you. Over. Aye, what's next? What's next? What is next?
Next is you entering the car because you're drunk and you're gonna get lost.
Elodie, stop! Stop! What? Stop! It's an ice cream truck.
Charlie, we're gonna have
It's an ice cream truck. Elodie, wait. Okay, forget her. It's an ice cream truck. Do you have chocolates?
No. Vanilla and almond.
Vanilla and almond. Yo, El, I knew I'd find you here.
What took you so long?
The ice cream was like good. It was so
it?
Yeah, it was Where are we going?
Bro, you forgot.
We forgot what?
We're going to my mom's friend's house, remember?
Yeah?
See the guy with the biggest swimming pool in the Indian Ocean.
Oh shoot!
Hurry!
Is it nice?
Of course, we even have wine.
Okay. Ooh, yes. Also, I don't have a swimming costume. That won't be a problem. So, yeah.
You don't have a swimming costume.
I do not have a swimming costume, but I can swim naked.
It's all about loving your body, Charlie.
It's all about self-love.
So this is apparently the longest pool in the Indian Ocean. Oh my god, this is insane. What? They have little palm trees. Look at this. Choisis les bancs. So guys, we are about to dig in. Charlie, where are you going?
To do this thing. I
Who's-
know exactly what I'm gonna do.
Who does that even belong to?
I don't know. I just found it over there.
Charlie, no, wait, Charlie, don't do it. Don't. Charlie! Yo, do you even know how to work this thing? Do you even know how to make it go?
Yeah, you just do the thing with the thing, and then it do this.
Charlie, if we get in trouble for this,
You worry too much.
gently down the stream.
Verily. Life is but a dream.
But not so much ice.
Did you order a beer for me? She knows me so well. I like beer. I like my beer. Anyway, okay.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Thanks for coming with us on one of another crazy adventures. It's been lit. Please make sure you click that subscribe button down below. Join the Energy Radio family. You know what it is. You know how we do. Give this video a thumbs up, and we're gonna see you guys same time, same place next week. Here.
In case we're not fired.
In case we're not fired.
NRGSTARS.
Energy Radio.